Hello, I'm back. I'm here to do another pack opening. I'm only going to do like 100 premium player packs today. Let's see here. But before I do that, I'll give you guys a look at my team. Okay, this is my fielders. I got Bellinger, Schmidt, Machado, Musial, Turner, Freeman, Aaron, Berra, and Hornsby. And then on my bench, I have Pee Wee Reese, Dusty Baker, Edgar Martinez, Green, and Kirk Gibson. He's my newest one, Kirk Gibson. And I didn't think I was ever going to use him, but I decided to use him. This is what skills I got for him now. I want to change Hawkeye, obviously. And then eventually give him some legend skills too, eventually down the road. But anyway, I think what I'll do for today is open up 100 more premium player packs and see if I get any primes or legends. Legends I really don't expect, but primes I do. The last pack opening I did was during the day, and I didn't get any primes at all. Right now, it's 10 after 5 p.m. in the Midwest where I am, so let's get this started and see what happens. We're only going to do 100 today. Let's see what happens. I got a diamond. One diamond, no primes. Okay, let's do another 10. No diamonds this time. And no primes. Here goes 30. No diamonds again. No primes. Okay, 40. No diamonds again. All silver this time. Wow. Okay, here goes 50. Oh, got another diamond. So that's 2 diamonds out of 50. Josh Hader. Good relief pitcher. Okay, here goes 60. No diamonds. No primes. 70. No diamonds. Still no primes. Let's see. I got a vintage. First one of those. Okay, let's go for 80. No diamonds. No primes. This game never ceases to amaze me. There's 90. No diamonds again. And still no primes. Not that I would use them, but I'd just like to see what I would get. Here goes the last 10. Oh, another diamond. So I got a total of 5 diamonds, 1 vintage, no primes. Alrighty. Well, let's go do some combos. See if I can get what I can get in combos. Okay. I'll do the vintage because I usually don't keep the silver ones. No primes there. Let's see if I can get Cordero. Nope. Okay, keep going. No primes again. Anyway, eventually I'm going to open up those Diamond Player Selective Packs. When I get 100 of them, I'm going to open them up. Still no primes. And I have like 180 something Ultimate Player Packs. I'll eventually open them as well. I'm surprised I'm not seeing any primes. Let's see. Sometimes these pack openings can be pretty boring. I get it. I really don't need to do them now at this stage of the game where I'm at, but I just do them out for fun, just to see who I get. Let's see if I can get a legendary through the pack opening part of it. I think I've only gotten one from a premium player pack, and that was many, many years ago when I was a much lower OVR than what I am now. I was below 100. But that's the only one I've ever gotten from a premium player pack. Contreras. See if I can get him Contreras. Let's see, I think it might be down here. Nope. Give me a bronze. That's okay. Keep right on going. McCormick. Okay. Let's see. Go down to this corner. Nope. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten a prime off a combo. Let's see. Nope. Chang. I have no idea who he is, but okay, I think he might be up here. Nope. I keep my diamond players usually and use them for upgrade material. That's why I don't do combos with them normally. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I still have not seen a single prime. Shocked. I usually see at least one. Don't always get them, but I at least see them. Mr. Turner, I see him quite a bit. Okay, 2 diamonds this time. Stripling and Voth. Let's see if I can get one of them. Hey, check that out. Got lucky. Alright. Where was that? Okay, there he is. I'll just do a bunch of silvers. Taylor. Okay, I think he'll be right here. Nope, missed him. No big deal. Where's that elusive prime? Where's the prime? Nope. I'm surprised there's no primes. Okay. Yeah, this does get boring. I think I will do a combo with these diamonds here soon when I run out of silvers here. It's not like I don't have enough material for upgrade, because I do. So I thought I was going to get a prime there for a minute. I really did. Oh my goodness. Chisholm. All right. Let's do some. Okay, nothing good there. I got enough to do one more combo, and I'll call it a day. Any primes? Not a single prime. Shocking. I figured I'd see at least one prime, but I didn't. Okay. Well, I think, let's see, what do we got here? Nah, I'm gonna save it for next time. But anyway, I'll show you my pitchers that I have. I eventually like to get some better pitching. Kershaw, I got a bullpen day is not what I really want for him. I like to get a different set of skills for him. Same with Pedro. Marichal. I like his skills. But Mr. Gibson, I'd eventually like to get better skills for him. And Mr. McLean, same with him. I still need to get some relief pitching. I got this dude on my lineup, but the only reason he's on there is because he's got pitcher's chem. I've been trying really, really hard to get pitcher's chem on one of my other relievers I have in backup, but just for whatever reason, they just won't give it to me. But it's the nature of the game. But anyway, eventually I'll do another pack opening. So I did one during the day, no primes. I only got, I think, 2 or 3 diamonds out of that. And on this one, I got, 5 diamonds? Not a single prime. Not even in combos. Alrighty, well that's that for now. Y'all have fun.